Today we'll discuss some problems which were asked in the UPSC examination. The first problem, show that if A and B are similar n by n matrices, then they have the same eigenvalues. We have to show that they have the same eigenvalues. In this case, A, B are similar. That implies there exists invertible matrix. There exists invertible matrix such that B equal to P inverse AP. By using this concept, we can easily prove that they have the same eigenvalues. B equal to P inverse AP. Here, B minus lambda I. Here, B can be replaced by P inverse AP. That is P inverse AP minus lambda I. That is P inverse AP minus lambda into I can be taken as P inverse P. I is equal to P inverse P. Therefore, I is replaced by P inverse P. This is equal to P inverse AP minus lambda into P inverse I into P. P can be taken as I into P. I into P again P. Therefore, lambda into P inverse I into P. Then this is equal to P inverse AP minus P inverse lambda I into P. Then taken P inverse outside, P inverse, that is, from here we can write A minus lambda I into P. P outside. For P inverse AP, P inverse AP first term, P inverse lambda I into P second term. Then modulus of B minus lambda I taken. Therefore, modulus of P inverse, modulus of A minus lambda I, modulus of P. That is, determinant A minus lambda I into P inverse P. Therefore, P inverse P is equal to I. Therefore, we get B minus lambda I, modulus of B minus lambda I is equal to modulus of A minus lambda I. That is, this is a characteristic equation. This is a characteristic equation. B minus lambda I equal to A minus lambda I. Same characteristic equation. Characteristic polynomial are same. Therefore, our conclusion is that their eigenvalues are same. This is the result. Not to prove this result, we should know the concept. If A and B are similar matrices, there exists invertible matrix such that B equal to P inverse AP. Okay, then we pass on to next problem. Second problem, for the system of linear equations, x plus 3y minus 2z equal to minus 1, 5y plus 3z is equal to minus 8, x minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 7. Determine which of the following statements are true and which are false. The first point, the system has no solution. Second point, the system has unique solution. Third point, the system has infinitely many solutions. What is the problem? Next problem, determine which of the following statements are true and which are false. The first point, the system has no solution, the system has unique solution, the system has infinitely many solutions. Here given three equations, three linear equations, x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 5y plus 3 is equal to minus 8, x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 7. Three equations are given. We have to check which answer is correct. Here, first we find the augmented matrix AB. First we find the augmented matrix AB. Augmented matrix AB is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then 5, 3, 0, 5, 3, minus 8. Then 1, minus 2, minus 5, 7. Then we can replace this R3. R3 changes to R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3. Then it is equal to 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 5, 3, minus 8. This is 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 2, 5, minus 2, minus 5. That is minus 2, minus 5, that is equal to 3. Minus 1, minus 7, that is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. Then next step, then R3 changes to R3 minus R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. That is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 5, 3, minus 8, 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. Therefore, finally we get 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 5, 3, minus 8, 0, 0, 0. Here, this is known as the echelon form of a matrix. This is the echelon form, a row reduced echelon form. In this case, we can easily find the rank of a matrix. Rank of a matrix equal to number of non-zero rows. Here, rank of AB, we consider the full matrix. Rank of AB, number of non-zero rows is equal to 2. Therefore, rank of AB is equal to 2. In the rank of A, hiding this portion. Therefore, we taken first, second, third column. This is a part. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 2. Here, rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to. Both ranks are equal, but number of unknowns is equal to 3. Therefore, the condition says that rank of AB equal to rank of A is less than number of unknowns. Rank of AB equal to rank of A less than number of unknowns. Then system will have infinite solution. The system will have infinite solution. Therefore, our answer will be the third one. Then this is the answer. Answer will be the system will have infinitely many solutions. The conclusion is that from this linear system of equation, first we find out the augmented matrix AB. After finding the augmented matrix AB, we convert this equation to row reduced echelon form. From the row reduced echelon form, we can easily find the rank. Rank defined as number of non-zero rows. When we consider the full matrix AB, rank of AB is equal to number of non-zero rows is equal to number of non-zero rows 1, 2, 2. Rank of AB, hiding the last column, then we rank of A is equal to 2. Therefore, rank of AB is equal to rank of A, that is equal to less than number of unknowns. Less than, here are number of unknowns, X, Y, Z. Number of unknowns, less than number of unknowns. Therefore, the system will have infinitely many solutions. Okay.